Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Stremio video is not supported. In this video seen before, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Let's go ahead that steps. We can these three steps try to fix it this problem. Then let's go ahead that first step. Restart Stremio. So go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click to restart your system. After that, open the Stremio, relaunch the game. Stremio app relaunch. Check it. If it's does not working, then go to the next step. Change video format. Then go to the Stremio, then app. Then click on the settings. Then go to the player. Then here come to click on the advanced, then below play in the external player, click to select the M3U playlist. Once it select, then close it, then re- restart the Streamio. After that, your problem should be fixed. Then if this try to sometimes does not working, then try VPN connection. Once it try to check it, after that your problem fix it now. If you have any doubt, go to the comment section, comment, I will reply. Whether this method working or not working, go to the comment section and comment. If you want like this video, don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.